click the news and shit. Yeah, I know how to start it, yeah.
Probably another 5 minutes so you can go back in.
Where was the fire at?
Dryer?
In the dryer?
If they had to close the dryer, I guess they caught fire.
Well, that should be normal. Everybody here keeps setting the alarms off all the time, and nobody knows whether it's true or not. We're gonna get burned one day. One day I'm gonna burn my ass upstairs because somebody doesn't do
What do we
right.
do about it?
Try to catch the person that's doing it and have them arrested. Put them in jail.
In the meanwhile, I'm thinking what I'm gonna burn or not.
Anybody knows who set the alarm off, send them to the, tell the police who it is. Anybody can find out who it is. It's pretty hard to tell. It's very serious when they do that, because when they pull the alarm and it's on a fire, it's like crying wolf.
I heard the alarm. Exactly.
When it's a real fire,
Yeah. I was sleeping.
keep the doors shut. You know, if it's smoking them always too bad, where it's going to choke you.
It could get that bad that it choke you from the third floor to the fifth floor.
If you open the door, it's too bad for you to go out. You might get overcome. You don't go out. Stay in. Okay? Never have a fire.
Well, something.
Just tell me what you're going to tell me.
What?
Tell me what you're going to tell me.
No, I can't. I'm not on camera.
No?
No.
Why not?
Because I live with my dad here. I don't want my dad to get thrown out of their apartment because of something I say. It's true.
You think they throw you out for something?
God knows what they do. If they don't fix that, what else can they do? You know?
So, well, basically, what's the beat? The alarm goes off too frequently, people don't.
Too frequently, every day. Every day. And my dad is 50 years old.
Who pulls the alarm?
Right now? It goes off at 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, anytime.
And
you know, and
a real fire.
Hey,
no
hold
lights
on.
in the
When you hear the
hallways.
alarm, do you believe there's a fire? Every time you hear the alarm?
We don't believe it anymore.
How many times a week do you hear the alarm go off?
Like 7 or 8 times a day.
Kids know it. Kids don't even get up and they could be burned inside.
You know what I mean, right?